In this video, I will show how to make a Twitch building with window frame in each block. So firstly, I need to create a cylinder. Become a base in high size, make it 1, and cap size, make it on as well. Size here, make it my 35, and go to perspective view. So this one will become the base, so I make it not in red, turn on the cylinder anymore. Make it like one on the base. Copy one more up. This one I arrange it in smaller. After I have my first base, copy one layer for floor. The floor, so I make it thicker and higher. Now I copy one more layer. Well, maybe become a ceiling. After that, I choose one, change to different colors so you can see two different between them. Maybe this one and this one. Make it purple. Click in here, convert to editable poly, and go to poly. You can see insert in here, inserting, choose by polygon. Nothing happened because now I didn't choose the polygon yet. To every frame of the polygon. Now by doing that, now I believe when I click in setting insert by polygon, create a frame here, you can see. You can make a frame for window. Now extrude that. By positive. $14, $15, and insert again, make it smaller, become the window, and extrude again. Now this time we make it negative for the window, inside the window. And you can see now we have a frame window, and inside the window maybe crack. After that, we rolling down to detach. After that, we cut it down. I got restore view or the front view. After I choose zero floor, bottom, floor, and ceiling. Go to tool, array. I will make it 32 and preview that. There's one in here. I make it for preview. Now I twitch it. Let's see. I'm making twitch building now. Okay. But how if I don't want this very straight like this? I can make a part bigger and a part smaller by choosing the whole thing. Group that. Call it group 1. This modify list. I by LXD 444. You can see this inside like a box with a dot point here. I can choose dot point. Removing the dot point. So you can see I can make it bigger in the middle. Call it establish. And for top, maybe make it go right a little bit. And make it small. And bottom, maybe I make it bigger. Go to maximum point. If my eye in here is like I hide how to action it before and how I kill it before. Click it again. Now you can see my building twitch with a frame in the middle. Thank you for watching my video.